How to unlink games on Facebook. Start by opening up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from your friends and pages that you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. This is the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down to the Your Activity section. Then, go to Apps and Websites. Here, you can view all the apps and websites that you've connected to your Facebook account. From here, tap on the game that you want to unlink. For example, Subway Surfers. Once you're here, tap on Remove. Tap on Remove again to confirm. You have now successfully removed this game from your Facebook account. Following these steps, you can easily unlink games on Facebook.